The world of record-breaking cars is nothing short of exhilarating. Take the Koenigsegg Agera RS, for instance. This Swedish marvel shattered records with a jaw-dropping top speed of 277.87 miles per hour on a public road in Nevada back in 2017. Then there's the Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Super Sport, a masterpiece from 2010 that redefined speed and held the crown for the fastest production car for years. Not to be outdone, the Hennessy Venom GT roared onto the scene in 2014, clocking in at an impressive 270.49 miles per hour. And let's not forget the SSC Tuatara, which boldly claimed a staggering top speed of 331 miles per hour in 2020. Each of these cars represents the pinnacle of engineering and speed, pushing the limits of what we thought was possible on four wheels.